What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it's going to be another rabbit hunting video. We're starting the morning off pretty early, but not too early. It's currently like 6:30 in the morning, and we're going to try to go get after some rabbits. Probably get ready to leave. Let's try to get after some bunnies. Let's go. Okay guys, it's about 8 o'clock and we just now got to our hunting spot. Here it is. It's pretty cloudy, foggy this morning. Oh man, was that something? What in the world? It was right here. That was an easy shot. What, 5 yards maybe? They'll have to get that rabbit because I sure ain't going in there and getting that. That's thick. Yeah.
I
was like, oh Lord, hopefully I hit this or I'm gonna look bad. Yeah. Rabbit number one. Ain't it? And I destroyed that rabbit, didn't I?
You shot in the head, didn't you?
Yeah, I shot it right in the head.
Good shot.
Yeah. That's a nice looking rabbit. Oh, that's a white rabbit. Yep. Might get number two, boys.
Good spot. I see.
It looks like a good spot. Yeah. It looks like a real good spot to me.
It is. They tracked around up here a little bit yesterday.
Yeah. I think I just saw something in them. Pretty sure. Did you get it? Oh my goodness. I shot at it. It's behind that tree. I couldn't hardly see it.
I should have killed that rabbit, but when the up close like that,
He was behind that big tree when I shot. I'm empty. They probably think we got it, both of us shooting at it.
Yeah, we was waiting on that, but I figured he'd do that circle and showing up here it comes.
Boom, 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 boom. Missed it. Oh.
You missed it though? He missed it again. It went down.
There.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Who knows, it might cross up there. Let's see.
Moving. It come out there.
Turn
Look
back
like
on top.
it looked like it was running 50 mile an hour. And it come out.
Shoo! Hi.
Oh, you killed it. It's laying.
Oh yeah, I did kill it.
Is that it?
I think.
Or is that a rock?
I can't tell.